Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded because of school, but now that that's out of the way, I'd like to upload more frequently. What I made was a piece of Zombicide board that I made mostly from MDF and foam board. The street is a mixture of sand and paint, and I added some other materials here and there for the destroyed bits. Luckily, this still functions just like the game too if you remove the roof. The idea I had for this is to make a 3D Zombicide board game. If you have ever played the game, you know that there are 9 modular tiles front and back that you place together to make a board game map. I am currently working on another video to get a more in-depth view of my process. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you and see you soon!